Welcome back to 50 Car. You don't just drive the 2025 Lexus Electrified Sport, you awaken in it. This isn't merely a car, it's the metaphysical collision of Japanese elegance and futuristic energy. It whispers peace and shouts performance, all while glowing with high-voltage charisma. Main features. Lexus Electrified Sport concept is now a production masterpiece, blending the soul of the LFA with cutting-edge EV tech. It features solid-state batteries, near 600 miles of range and 0-60 in just under 2 seconds. This is Lexus' bold attempt to redefine the electric supercar, not just compete it. Exterior design. The front is dominated by a refined spindle grille with dramatic airflow channels, flanked by origami-inspired LED headlamps. Side profiles curve like waves on a temple pond, sculpted yet forceful. Muscular rear arches, a dynamic light bar, and active aerodynamic elements underscore the performance heritage. Pros? Pure drama and innovation. Cons? The front grille may divide opinions aesthetically, and low height hinders practicality. Interior and dashboard design. Step inside and it's like entering a serene dojo laced with digital power. Alcantara wraps the minimalist yet high-tech cabin. A floating touchscreen, augmented reality heads-up display, and haptic feedback controls dominate the dash. Seats are sculpted for both meditation and G-forces. Pros? Zen-like balance of tech and luxury. Cons? Some may miss physical buttons, and tall passengers could feel squeezed. Performance. An all-electric dual-motor setup delivers explosive torque and stunning balance thanks to torque vectoring. It hits 60 miles per hour in 1.9 seconds and tops out at 205 miles per hour. The steer-by-wire system feels razor-sharp and regenerative braking blends smoothly. Lexus promises over 550 miles of range on a single charge with its breakthrough solid-state battery. Pros? Unrivaled smoothness and instant power. Cons? High-performance parts may be difficult to source early in production. Market positioning. Expected to start near $200,000, it targets 55-year-old buyers who want emotion and innovation, not just speed. It rivals the Tesla Roadster, Rimac Nevera, and Porsche Mission R. But Lexus offers more refinement and dependability in a high-performance EV package. Driving this car feels less like a race and more like a ritual. Additional features. Customers can select bespoke trim themes, carbon wheel packages, and immersive soundscapes replicating the LFA's V10. It comes with an 8-year battery warranty and 4 years bumper-to-bumper. Accessories include a matching charging station and limited edition racing helmet.